Okay, this video is going to show you how to use the format decimal or decimal format class to format decimals to be shown as currency or as money. And so this will be really quick. We should be familiar, of course, with the decimal format object line, and of course assuming we've already imported the decimal format class. Now inside here, inside the parentheses, again, we want to make sure that we use quotation marks, and then quotation marks means a string, and so in that string we want a $sign, and we're going to just go 10 point and then 00 for cents. Alright, so then we're going to put a quotation marks at the end. Alright, so that's how you would set up the particular object. Then let's say that we have a variable named cost that has some calculation that's going to end up with a number like this, okay, what we call an ugly decimal. And so when we say this is a particular cost, we want it to look like a dollar, have the $sign and have two decimal places. We don't want it to look like this. And so you can obviously use this in a concatenation situation, but I'm just going to demonstrate this by just a simple variable call. And so we're going to, if we were to then just print cost, the variable call cost, it would print 34.3682019. But we want to format that to be as a decimal or as a currency, and so we're going to put df.format. Now this is something you have to memorize. This will be on the test, and don't make this difficult. Just memorize this. Make it easy. Every time you have to do this, try to recall how to do it. And then if you have to look at your notes, then look at your notes, but always try to recall it until you have it memorized. Right, so this will apply that. The output then, of course, then will look like this. It has the $sign and the 34, and then it actually rounds it to 37. All right, $34.37. So, by the way, if you do need to, maybe you have another variable or set of variables that you only want them to produce or format the decimal to have one decimal place and no $sign. What you do, you'd have to make another variable or declaration of the decimal format object. Maybe just put a 1 on it, so you have a df and then you have df1, and then take this out and just put 10 in the decimal place, and then you would apply that. Instead of saying df.format, you'd say df1.format. Alright, so that's how it works. You can put as many decimal format objects as you would like within a program. So that is it. We'll practice this a little bit later in JGrasp.